This short video will demonstrate how to use Scout on our non-navigation vehicles. Scout is a free application that you can download. It takes a couple minutes to make an account. The only thing that will cost you is your cell phone data. So depending on your data plan, you might want to pay attention to how much you have left when streaming the app. But other than that, it's completely no charge. You do want to make sure that your cell phone is connected through Bluetooth in order for Scout to work properly. And you'll want to make sure to download Scout GPS Link application. So to get to the main Scout screen, we will scroll over to Connected Navigation and press down using our knob. This is going to take us to the main screen where we can search for an address, find a point of interest, any places that we like to go to we can save for later use, and then you can also set your home and work address. For this instance, I'm going to search for a theater. So I know the address offhand, so I'm going to scroll over to the numbers and press down and start to type in. Okay, so we're going to type in 200. And it's 200 North Main Street. So to get a space between 200 and North, we will take our knob and actually push it over to the right, and that gives us a space. Now to get back to our letters, we will scroll over and we will click on the letters, and then same process here. Just press down to select the letter for your address. Now this is one way to enter in an address. I also will show you how to enter an address through voice command, which will make it really easy while you're driving. Okay, so right here we have 200 North Main Street, and we're going to click down on that, and this is going to take us to a screen where it gives us a couple options. You can choose to drive there with multiple routes or like it for later use. Depending on the business, if their phone number is listed, you'll also have an option for a phone button to call. So say you want to make dinner reservations or something of that nature, you have that option. So we will press down on the car, which will give us a few different routes to take, and we'll choose which one is best for us. So I'm going to say we're going to take M53, and then we'll press down. Once it calculates,
make a U-turn if possible.
It will take you turn by turn to your address, and once you start driving on the left-hand side of the screen, a little map will pop up, and it will show you where you're at currently and how far until your destination. So this is one way to enter in an address. So we're going to scroll over in the right-hand corner here and press the X, and we're going to say yes, we'd like to end. So that's how you're going to cancel your route. So now I'm going to show you the easy way to enter in an address through voice command. So while you're driving, makes things super simple. To the left-hand side of your steering wheel, underneath your mode button is your voice command button. And when we press that button one time, it's going to give us a list of options, and it's going to prompt us when to speak by hearing a beep. So once we hear that beep, we'll speak our destination.
Say the name, category, or address of a point of interest.
Find Starbucks. And now it will search for us.
Say the list number of the one you want, or say none of these.
Number 1.
Showing the results for Starbucks.
So here it will populate a list for us. We'll choose which one fits us best, and then we'll press down to select that address, and then the same exact process as before. We'll click drive, and then it will start our route. As you see here, it does give you the option to call as well, so if that number is listed, that will pop up. And those are the basics of using Scout navigation.